come back from, I told Victoria I'm going to the gym. Now I'm just come back from the Apple. Guess what, guys? I'm still buying Apple laptop maskers or what was it called? I still buy this one for her because she always buy me everything. But now, guys, guess what? I'm buying this one. You see it? But I told her I'm going to the gym, and now I'm going to the Apple shop to buy this thing for her. So I'm thinking she's gonna be so excited. This is a best thing to do, to buy for her for the new year. Yeah, maybe she's gonna be happy to have this one for her. If you like me, comment below. Team Siaosi is a good boy. Yeah, guys, but you see it. I'm going inside. Let's go. Look, going inside. She inside the house. Oh. Hello, babe.
Yeah?
What are you doing?
Going gym.
Yeah, just back from the gym. What are you doing? Are you upstairs or down here?
Upstairs.
Guys, I'm gonna surprise her. I'm gonna surprise her.
What are you doing? Babe.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Hi, baby.
Stop!
Guess what? Hi, baby. Say hi to the viewers.
Hi. What are you doing?
I cut you at this.
Is that real?
Yeah, what do you think?
You got it for me?
Yeah.
How?
I told you that's not finished. But
Is that real?
yeah, that's real. What do you mean? It's a brand new laptop.
How much was it?
That is good, expensive, girl.
Oh my god, honey!
Mwah.
Oh my god, I want to cry. How did you get it?
I get it from the gym. Get it from Apple. You see that? It's so nice.
Did you get one with the touch bar?
Yeah, that's touch bar.
Is this the newest one or is this the old one?
That's the new one.
How do you know?
I asked the guy. This is the new one.
Oh my god, honey!
That's your present for the new year.
Is that my birthday present too?
Yeah.
For the next 5 years?
Yeah.
Oh my god, honey! I can't believe he got me a Mac!
Yeah.
Oh my god! I love it! Really? Is this really mine? Is this really mine, guys? Is this real? What else is in the bag?
That one. A chop chop.
You even got me this? Why did you get me this? Did they tell you?
Yeah, just adapted to you.
I don't even want to open it. I'm I'm so grateful to you, my husband, for getting me this gift, especially because it was so unexpected, because we agreed that we weren't going to get it, and then all of a sudden...
Yep. Guys, I'm trying to open this gift for her.
Oh my god. I'm a MacBook Pro user now.
Whoa, that's a brand new laptop. Ooh. See, guys? Brand new. See ya?
I see it, honey.
Open 4-bit and get ready to use it.
Yay! I'm so excited. So excited, honey. Look at this. Wow, cool. It's a charger. Dang, that's big.
Not charger.
Yep.
Turn
I'll just
on.
leave the box here.
What's turn on?
Huh?
What's on?
It's turning on. Can't you see?
Oh, what they do?
I don't know what they're doing. What's this?
Oh, that's instruction.
Instruction.
Oh, memory card.
No, there's no memory card. I'm gonna be so motivated to edit. I was not feeling well at all today. At work today, I was feeling really weak and couldn't breathe, like I was gonna collapse, and my bones were just aching. And then,
Yeah, guys. Look, I'm burning from the sun.
thank you.
English.
We'll set it up later. I'll set it up at home. At Mum and Dad's. Siaosi got me this bag. I guess you guys remember.
Just put it in the whole bag.
Aww.
Big bag. Now it's fit. Every laptop. So guys, now I'm gonna use the old laptop.
You can have it, honey.
I'm gonna do a TJ.
You can have it, baby. You can have the old one.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a TJ. I'm a TJ Aussie DJ. Oh!